So today I'm about to show you why your Gmail undo sent emails or even your sent emails are not showing up and how to fix it step by step so everything starts appearing normally again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why sent emails disappear, how to restore them, how to prevent it from happening again. I'll walk you through the same fixes I use when Gmail starts acting weird. Storage issues, sync problems, filters, network bugs, and hidden settings that quietly break your sent folder. And the best part? Most of these fixes takes less than a minute once you know where to look. If your Gmail ever sent an email but it didn't show up, or undo sent didn't pop up, or your sent folder looks empty, this video fixes all of that. If Gmail isn't saving your sent emails properly, it can cause lost communication records, missed follow-ups, confusion with clients or work, no undo sent safety window, emails that look like they never exist. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make sent emails show consistently, fix synced and storage problems, stop filters from deleting messages, verify your email clients correctly, restore full Gmail reliability. First, this is the number one reason sent emails disappear. Open Gmail, click your profile photo on the top right, click Manage your Google account. Go to Storage. Here, you'll see how full your Gmail, Drive, and Photos are. If your storage is full, Gmail may stop saving new sent emails, messages may not appear properly, undo sent may glitch. If you are near the limit, delete old emails, clear spam and trash, remove large attachments. Once storage frees up, Gmail often fixes itself immediately. If you use Outlook, Thunderbird, Apple Mail, or other apps, this matters a lot. IMAP sync problems can stop sent emails from saving. In Gmail, go to Settings, then choose See All Settings, then click Forwarding and pop IMAP. Make sure IMAP is enabled. Now, in Outlook, go to your account settings, look for saved copies of messages and sent items folder. Make sure it's checked. If this off, your sent emails won't show. This alone fixes it for many users. Weak network connections can send emails without properly saving them. Quick checks, refresh Gmail, try another browser, log out and back in, test Gmail on mobile. If Gmail struggles to sync, sent emails may vanish temporarily. Once connection stabilizes, they often reappear. Now, this one surprises people. First, go to your Gmail, then go to Settings, then click or select Filters and Blocked Addresses. Look for any rules like auto-delete, move emails, archive messages, skip inbox. Some filters accidentally catch sent emails, especially with keywords. Disable any suspicious. This alone fixes tons of missing sent mail issues. Heavy BCC use sometimes causes Gmail display bugs. If you use BCC often, log into Gmail directly through the web browser, open the sent mail folder. Sometimes emails exist there, but don't sync to apps. This confirms whether the email is missing or just hidden. Now, here are 6 powerful tips to keep Gmail stable. Tip number 1, keep at least 10 to 15% storage free. Number 2, clear spam weekly. Number 3, avoid overusing BCC. 4, review filters monthly. 5, keep IMAP enabled. 6, refresh Gmail after large sends. These prevent 90% of disappearing email issues. You now know how to fix storage problems, sync sent mail properly, repair IMAP issues, stop filters deleting emails, restore missing sent messages. Your Gmail should now save everything correctly, with undo sent working smoothly again. In addition to checking storage, click storage details, sort emails by size, delete huge attachments, empty trash permanently. Pro move, search in Gmail, larger, 10M. This finds massive emails instantly. Delete them, Watch storage free up fast. Once space clears, refresh Gmail. Many times, sent mail instantly returns. Beyond enabling IMAP in Outlook, go to Settings, confirm correct folder mapping, verify sent items path, force resync folders. Sometimes Outlook saves sent mail locally instead of Gmail. Resync fixes it. Also, restart your email client after changes. Then you can also try clearing browser cache, incognito mode tests, switching browsers, and you can also try on mobile, force stop Gmail app, clear cache, and reopen. This resets sync glitches. Look for wildcards, keywords like sent, auto archive rules, disable everything temporarily, test sending an email. If it shows, a filter was the issue. Check Gmail web interface regularly. You can also add these additional tips. First, log out monthly. Second, update browser. Third, limit extensions. And lastly, avoid unofficial mail maps. Keeps Gmail smooth long term. Alright, so now that you've fixed the most common Gmail issues, here's where most tutorials stop. But where power users actually lock Gmail into full reliability mode. Because there are deeper system level settings that can quietly interfere with sent emails, undo sent, and syncing. And the next fix is something almost nobody checks, but it breaks Gmail for thousands of users every day. Let's start with Gmail's send behavior itself. First, go to Settings, click General, scroll down until you see Undo Send Timing. Make sure it's set to 30 seconds, the maximum window. Short windows can glitch and never appear. Now, scroll down to default reply behavior and conversation view. Sometimes, conversation view hides sent mail visually. Toggle it off, refresh Gmail, then toggle it back on. This forces Gmail to rebuild the email thread structure. Many missing emails reappear after this reset. Now, let's look at something that silently blocks Gmail from saving messages properly. First, go to Google account, click Security. Next, select third-party apps with access. Remove any old email plugins, CRM tools, automation apps, unknown extensions. Some apps hijack sending and syncing. After removing, log out of Gmail and log back in. This refreshes Gmail's permission system. Now, here's a Gmail feature that sounds helpful, but often causes sent emails to vanish. First, go to Settings, click Accounts and Import. Look under Send Mail As. If you have multiple email addresses linked, Gmail may save sent mail in the wrong folder. Click Edit Info and enable Treat as an alias. This forces Gmail to store sent mail correctly. Also, check Multiple Inboxes feature under Advanced. Disable it temporarily to test. This often fixes disappearing messages. Alright, you now have storage control, clean sync, stable sent mail, working undo send, prevention habits. Your Gmail should now feel brand new. If this walkthrough saved you time or stress, go ahead and hit like. It helps more people find these fixes. Subscribe if you want more Gmail tricks, automation workflows, Excel power tips, AI tools, and productivity upgrades that actually make life easier. And drop a comment down below with the next problem you want to solve. Gmail issues, Windows fixes, Excel automation, or AI productivity. I turn your comments into future videos. Thanks for watching. Keep your workflow clean and efficient. I'll see you on the next one.